Okay, hey, I'm just coming out of the dentist's office now. Woo! I mean, these things work me up, guys. This thing works me up. I got to get over this because this is not funny at all. But anyway, so they said that I need a root canal. Hey, I've had a root canal before. It looks like I even had a root canal in that same place. Might have been a root canal anyway. So guys, you know how a root canal could be. Whew. And it's not promised that those things even take, but they got to get down in there into that nerve and down. Ooh. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing some I don't know, but anyway, I'm on my way to Walgreens now. I just had a return for Walgreens. I just want to let you guys know that I made it out of the dentist safely. I was all worked up thinking that I was ready to get some service, but I didn't get it right today. I need to come back again because I wasn't ready for it, especially with everything that happened this morning. I was not ready for it. So anyway, that's my life. Kenya Sports Bar. Yep, so I'm like I said, I'm on my way to Walgreens. I could walk back home. Might even go to the grocery store. I don't really need anything. Let me not even say that. That's a lie. I don't need any food. We have so much food in the house. Lots of vegetables, lots of fruit, meat, fish, you name it. We got it. Too much food, as a matter of fact, because we've been just kind of doing every man for himself. Everybody been kind of cooking, eating what they want to eat. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling because our in-laws, they cook a lot, and that's where everybody goes to eat. So might as well not even cook. Don't even stress yourself. Let everybody eat what they want to eat, right? So anyway, I don't know who was here, but somebody left a big mess, but I'm not gonna pick it up. I normally would, but not today. So anyway, I'm just going to check and see how much their I need a hair thing, hair bonnet. I do have those ones from Dollar Tree, but they just a little bit too big for me. They're a little bigger. I keep losing them. Not losing them, but you know what I mean. They oh, you know what? They didn't give me a toothbrush. I guess they didn't have to. I like their toothbrushes though. I really do like their toothbrushes. From the dentist's office, they're just right. They're the small. I like the small mouth ones. Anyway, it's about the size of the top of my well, that looks big. Should say the from the tip of my little baby finger to the first demarcation, my brown line. I like that. They're a little slimmer and they're soft, of course, so I like that. But anyway, so I'm just looking to see for a toothbrush. I mean, I have a new toothbrush now, but oh, this looks like $7. And I like Oral-B normally. I've probably tried everybody. Reach, we've done Reach, Colgate, Off-Brand. I don't think I ever did any Arm & Hammer. Wow, they don't have a lot of variety here. They got a lot of Oral-B, which is good. They have Reach, they got Colgate, and that's it besides their own brand, the Walgreens brand. Some stores you'll be in this aisle an hour trying to figure out which one you want. Okay, this is basically this is even ultra soft. I'm like, ugh. This is $7 with the card. Is this? Oh no, this is in the wrong spot. So how much is this? Because these are the ones I like. I'm not crazy about this color though. I like pink toothbrushes or red or green, but not these two. But still, this is the toothbrush that I like. I mean, it's about the same size. It's a tiny size, ultra. Just the one that I get from my dentist office that I don't see anywhere else hardly. But I don't see how much it costs. I have to go up to the front. But it looks like it's gonna be $10. Man, I'm telling you, people are getting over. There was a time, but you can, if you can not monopolize. If you, is this it? Nope, that's not it. But that's $5.29. But if you can make money off of it, do your thing. But don't fleece the people. That's all I'm saying. Don't fleece the people. But anyway, I'm not going to be on here long. I just want to run over here and see if they have what I'm looking for, and if they don't, I'll just return it. I was going to exchange it, but I don't know what they're doing up there, but they really need to stop that. It's not the time for that to be them to be doing all of that with this country and the state that it's in. Insurgents and all kind of stuff going on. Stop that noise. I don't even see the thing I want, so I'm just gonna go to Sally's. Sally's are probably, depending on ooh, some smell good though. I smell some cooking food. But anyway, let me get off of here. You guys have done well to hang in there with me as it was. So I'm in the greeting card section. Balloons, or badoons as children call them. Ooh. Okay, can y'all stop that? Crazy. Anyway, so I'm just gonna make my exchange or my return, see how much this cost, and get on out of here. I think I'm gonna call Uber so they can pick me up. I could walk home though, shouldn't I? I might walk home because it took me 20 minutes. But it doesn't cost. It don't usually take me 20 minutes. I don't know why it took so long, but whatever. All right, so I'll talk to you guys. Thanks for walking and talking with me. This is your girl, Saida Joe Domestic, had made enough distinction. Coming back again, as always, to you live and direct. Signing out for now. And still, every day, want to encourage you to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. Because we have no other God. He is the only one and true God. All right. Love you. Let your light shine.